Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is me back at with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make like a text intro before like an intro or a mixtape. Um, and yeah, it's kind of simple to do. So I'm just gonna throw out the secret, or not secret, just how I do it, I guess, because a lot of people ask me, and I'm gonna do this so you guys can make it too. So yeah. So first of all, type in whatever name you want. I'm gonna put my own name. Right. Scroll down, and I use Spook Show. Okay. This is the font I use. You can mess with other fonts if you want. Like this is something strange I use sometimes. Some sometimes I use sometimes I use what do I use? Sometimes I use Heartless, and I also use Kati Terrell demo, whatever. And then I also use Vampire Wars sometimes. But yeah, in this scenario, I'm gonna be using Spook Show. So first of all, you wanna put it to its position, like however big you want it. I'm gonna fit it up like here, and now that's good, right? So now it's just plain now it's just plain text, right? So first of all, we're gonna animate this. So keyframe your position and scale, and put it at like 1, and then position it like in the middle or so, and then make it 0. I know you could center it, but I'm too lazy to do that. And you could center it and like then make it 0. I don't want to do that. So then you can go some frames in. I don't know, maybe like 1 second in. It's really up to you. We can mess with the keyframes later. Right click, reset, and then just position it backwards to wherever you want it to be. So now you should have this, and it kind of looks retarded still, like, right? So like it just looks weird. So then after we're still not done. So you wait. Let's say you have a song playing, and then you're making a mixtape, and then you want like your clip to start. So then you would go. Let's say this is the marker of your song, and this is where the main beat starts, and this is where your let's say this is it, and this is where your like clip starts. So you would add a keyframe, like you would just add 2 keyframes, and then go like some frames before that marker. Just come here and then shift, click on the other keyframe, Control C to copy it, and just paste it. So now you got this. So yeah. So now highlight all these, F9, go to your graph editor, and just push these both in like this. So yeah, now you have a simple text that's animated well. I don't know. That looks like cleaner, right? It looks slightly cleaner than what it was before. Before it kind of looked like really weird. So yeah. So now that we have this, we can honestly just, let's say you have a marker, right? You can just Control Shift D and get rid of it. So actually, I'm gonna get rid of it right on the keyframe, so no point having extra. So now we add Saber, and Saber is a plugin that like can make um the text, or like whatever what is it? Okay, first of all, make the blending mode screen, or whatever, like if you pencil and stuff, or whatever mask, you can make it like put whatever saber you want on it and stuff. There's like different presets. So yeah, you're gonna need Saber. Search up Saber on YouTube, how to get Saber. I'm not gonna go into that, but it's pretty simple to get it. It's customize core, text layer, and then put it on the text. Alright, so now you should have this. Right, and look at the first frame, since we put it at 0, it'll have like this weird line. So go 1 frame in. If you don't know how to do that, just page down. Or you could like literally go manually zoom in 1 frame, Control Shift D, and delete. So now you have this, and still, I mean, that's way too much. And Yeah, so uneye this first, and now we have just Saber Text. So change this to whatever you want. You can mess with any of these. I usually go with Ghost. Where the hell that? Oh yeah, there. I usually go with this. Okay. Um. Matter of fact, I'm actually gonna go with Arc Reactor. Right. Let's say I want Arc Reactor. I don't know why I'm gonna use Arc Reactor for this. Then you would mess with all these settings. So, for example, I'm gonna make the glow a little more. I'm gonna make this probably like. Let's see, what should I make this color? Make it like dark purple, like this, right? So, I mean, that looks pretty cool, right? Has that. So, I'm also messing with like some of the glow settings and stuff. You know, mess with it until you think it looks kind of valid. I don't know. You think that looks cool? Go ahead. Oh, nah, it's not it. So yeah, I'm just gonna mess with all these until I think it looks cool. So there, that's what I got. Okay, and if it's too much, I'm matter of fact gonna reduce the brightness a bit or the intensity. So yeah, so now you got that right. Very simple type thing. Make an adjustment layer, and we're gonna add. Actually, don't even make an adjustment layer. Just put it in the text. I have a turbulent displace uh thing I made, and it's super simple. I just don't feel like remaking it, but yeah, it's very simple. So basically, the first frame you want to click on this first, and I'm gonna go to turbulent displace. So first of all, go to effects, search up turbulent displace, turbulent displace, drag it into your text, but I already have it in, so I'm not gonna do that. Keyframe the amount and size, make this 50. Copy all these settings first of all. 2, 640, all of this, alright? Make it 50 and 50 and keyframe it. Now go to the last frame, right? And make it 0 and 250 and highlight this and click F9 so easy as this. Now, it should like make the text move and look a little cooler. So this is what it looks like. Makes it pretty cool. Alright. Now, oh shit. Now, you add a VHS. So first of all, you can just straight up search up VHS here, VHS uni.vhs, and now it should make it look like, I don't know, kind of. It just makes it look cooler in my opinion. Alright, it's really up to you if you don't want it to be like that. If you want it to straight up just be like this, be my guess. It's really up to you. Don't just follow what I do. Mess with all the settings until you like it, not just copy me. Cause also that's just gonna look weird on if everyone just uses this. I'm gonna use this preset that I got. So yeah, now it looks kind of hella good. But actually I'm not gonna do that because that's not fair. If I just use presets, put in VHS, and now you got that. So now we're gonna make a whole new adjustment layer. I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So go to the start, or not start, but like go to a point. Make the adjustment layer like thin, kind of like that, and press P. I'm gonna control and do it where you want it to start. So I'm gonna start like I don't know here. Press P. Go to the very top. Make the thing at the very top. Click this. So we're keyframe position. Go some frames in and bring it down. So kind of there. Alright, so now you should have that. So now you'll be like, what the hell do we do? So all you want to do is I usually add this is what I add. So first of all you need box blur. Go to add that in. Make these both one. Then you search up add a grain. You can make this. We don't really mess with that. And then this is the final. Just go to displacement map. Make this like 20 and make this like 100 to 105. I'm gonna do 100 for now. So now it has the line, right? And I'm gonna do it so it's like slower. And I'm gonna throw this underneath the VHS. Act like the VHS is your CC, so everything should be underneath it. So yeah, that's kind of a simple way of doing it. I'm gonna add some glint and like keyframe the brightness and stuff to where I want it to be. Yeah, just make the brightness and then keyframe it and then go to like a point and just make it 0. And we can mess with the keyframe later. So I'm actually gonna go like further in. Yeah, so that's if you want it to be like that. Not saying. So yeah. Okay, I'm actually still gonna add some more effects. So then I'm gonna add like 2 more effects. These are kind of optional, but yeah, I add edge rays. Kind of makes it like that. I don't know. Mess with it a bit. So I'm gonna make it like 0.5 or something. I don't know. But you can make it a little more. See this? I don't know. It's up to you. 0.8. That's good. And then, lastly, I'm gonna put in Holo Matrix. Holo Matrix is just part of the universe plugin. Oh, you have to make a whole new adjustment layer for it. So make a whole new adjustment layer, or just put in this Holo Matrix, part of the universe plugin. So just search up how to get universe plugin, and it should make it like blue, and it should make it like hella glitchy. If you like this text, go ahead. You could use this because I mean it doesn't even look that bad. That's like this, but I'm gonna just mess with the blend with the original. I usually make it like freaking like 70 is fine, I guess. Kind of makes it glitchy, but so yeah. Control Shift D, and then also usually keyframe the opacity of the VHS because if I just go straight to a black screen, let's say you're making a Saber intro, it kind of looks awkward. So keyframe the opacity, go here, and then make it nothing. So like it fits in with the black screen. Okay? Doesn't look weird. I'm gonna push this frame. There. So yeah, that's how y'all do it. I will see you guys in the next video.